By chance, at that moment, Genda joined him. He was the village dog, both a guard and a plaything for the children. When he reached Fundan, he stopped and wagged his tail as if to ask what he was doing there. Fundan patted him on the head. But Genda was too busy to stop and chat. The dog raced ahead, and Fundan ran after him. Now, by chance, at that moment, Genda joined Fundan. Now, who was Genda? Genda was the village dog who was like both a guard and a plaything for the children. So when he reached Fundan, he stopped and moved his tail as if to ask Fundan, "What are you doing here?" Fundan patted him on the head. Patted means to touch somebody with soft hands. So Fundan patted him on the head. But Genda was too busy to stop and chat. He was busy in his mischiefs. The dog raced ahead. Now he was running here and there, and Fundan ran after him to catch him. This shows Genda was a mischievous dog, a naughty dog. His excitement renewed in the company of his friend. Now he decided to meet Jatin on the Kacha road, but still there was no sign of Jatin. At times he fancied he could spot Jatin, but the next moment realized that it was not so. The road was full of other sights. Bullock carts were lined up. A few ikkas and bicycles occasionally passed by too. He even saw a camel and ran behind it for some distance, clapping his hands. But his one desire towered over all these sights. Now his excitement renewed in the company of his friend. When the dog saw his friend, it made him energetic. Now he decided to meet Jatin on the Kacha road. Now Fundan decided to meet Jatin on the Kacha road. But still, still, there was no Jatin. He fancied means thought. He thought he could find Jatin, but the next moment he realized that no, it was not so. The road was full of other sights. It was crowded. Bullock carts were lined up. He saw bullock carts on the road. He also saw a few ikkas and bicycles on the road. Ikkas means small horse-drawn vehicles. He even saw a camel and ran behind it for some distance, clapping his hands, enjoying, feeling happy to see camel. But his one desire, what was his desire? Towered over all these sights. What was his desire? Just to meet Jatin. And it was more important than everything. Towered over means more important. So to meet Jatin was more important than any other things.